Welcome to our video on the best free video editors of 2025. Today, we're diving into CapCut and its alternatives. First up is CapCut. It offers a user-friendly interface packed with features that make editing a breeze. When it comes to performance, CapCut is known for its speed and efficiency, allowing you to edit videos seamlessly. CapCut comes loaded with fun stickers, smooth transitions, and cool effects that elevate your videos. Its accessibility means that both beginners and pros can navigate the platform without a steep learning curve. But how does CapCut stack up against its competitors? Let's find out by comparing it to some great alternatives. We're highlighting some strong alternatives like InShot, DaVinci Resolve, and HitFilm Express, each with unique features. Each alternative has its strengths, whether it's advanced color grading or special effects. There's something for everyone. When choosing the right editor for your needs, consider your editing style, desired features, and ease of use. Ultimately, the best free video editor for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Happy editing!